So these are the cars that we are traveling in. We are currently at the Loitoktok border. Yeah, so there are two of these trucks. We are quite a huge group. Yeah, this is the other one. So apparently these trucks can go all the way to South Africa. As you can see, their number plates are not like the usual Kenyan number plates. Yeah, so they're really quite huge. So that's the border at Loitoktok, and yeah, it's just a small town, not much happening. Hi guys, so we have been on the road for the past 11 hours and we have just gotten to Mount Kilimanjaro Park. We are being taken to see some waterfalls. Hopefully we'll be able to go all the way down because it's a bit wet and it's been raining, so we don't know how far up or how far down you're going to be taken. But yeah, I'm here for those waterfalls, so I hope we get to see them.
Kilimanjaro is within equatorial region. So at these lower levels, you feel like Nairobi, it feels like equator. And then the 8 kilometers away is a climate of rainforest, which is equatorial. And then to this point, which is 3,000 meters above the sea level, from 2,000 to 3,000 is a belt of rainforest, and it's really equatorial. And then above that comes the savanna grassland, day 2, 11 kilometers for 5 hours at the savanna. Then you have every day different climate. That's how we have the motto here: if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere in this world. You'll be like, okay, it's savanna, yeah, I'm used to it. It's the Nairobi kind of equatorial, yes, I'm used to it. And then day 3 is 9 kilometers for 5 hours at the desert, and the desert is really alpine. So you can even go to the Alps somewhere in Germany or Europe, and you'll be like, yeah, I've been there, done that. And then they go to the top is 6 kilometers from the base camp. Kibohat is the base camp. For 6 hours, we say we give you 2 more. We'll be like very poly because of the high altitude. You have few oxygen molecules up there, so we'll be like 8 hours from the base camp to the summit, and then it doesn't rain at all on top of the continent. It's only snowing, and this snow accumulates in time, turns to glaciers. Glaciers are the geographical features that are found at the poles of the world, Arctic or Antarctica. So you see, you've been walking from the equator to the Arctic already, or to the Antarctica, because as you move from the equator down south or up north, the changes of the climates are the same, because the equator is where it's the widest part of the globe. It's where you have most of the rays from the sun. That's no wonder we don't have like longer days and shorter nights. My friends from Canada, they told me some days they have like 3 hours of sunlight and it's all dark. I don't know how do they work with that. We are not used to that. But yeah, so we are equatorial guys. That's how we have like days and nights are balanced. So the changes are the same. If you make it here, you can make it anywhere in this world. We want to make it to the starting point today, so that some days when you want to do it all the way up to the top, you remember where to start. And it is just
How many kilometers?
Good question. 34 kilometers.
To the starting point.
No, to the start point.
Starting point.
To the
From
starting
here.
point, 0 kilometers.
So right now we are headed towards the waterfalls. They were doing like a brief introduction of the place and just briefing us on how long it can take you when you decide to climb the mountain. Yeah, so now we go towards the waterfalls. Yeah guys, I can't even speak. We have climbed up that hill.
For the water, please.
Yes, so fast because it's raining, as you can see. Oh my god, I'm tired.
Rain has taken over. I'm also taking over our channel. subscribe guys.
Oh yes.
At least got to shoot content. Now subscribe. How?
Okay, you've heard him from him. What's your channel name?
Machanule Vlogs. I think she will tag it or something.
Haya, sawa, Machanule Vlogs. Yangu pia kama uja subscribe. Sijui na do.
Her channel is at
Kwa Mahiga Karenga.
Yeah, subscribe for awesome travel videos also.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Out here getting content in the rain. The love of YouTube, man. Then to bring you content. Subscribe! Subscribe!
Oh, and also
to make it work.
And we are here with Mufasa Tours and Travel. You will never be disappointed when you go with these guys on a journey. Yo, I need a GoPro, man. So cool. Vlogging in the rain. Not caring if it's gonna get wet, because it's still gonna be fine. Hata nishazoea manze. I am so wet. I don't even feel it pouring anymore. Let me show you my clothes. My feet are so wet. Jacket. I'm a mess. We still have a couple of hours to go. We are headed now to Moshi, where we will spend the night. Then tomorrow morning, head to Zanzibar. Yeah. So I'm super stoked for that. We left Moshi at 4 a.m. so that we could catch the 4 p.m. ferry. One thing to note, if you're driving in Tanzania, the speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour. So that's why we had to leave that early. Luckily for our group, we were able to make it right in the nick of time, which was more or less because our driver was speeding, which unfortunately costed him some amount of money for the fines he was asked to pay at every stop. For the second group, unfortunately, they were not able to make it. However, arrangements were made and they were able to join us the next day in Zanzibar. The ferry is more like a yacht ride. It was so cool and you should definitely try it if you haven't yet and are considering to travel to Zanzibar from Dar es Salaam. A ticket goes for $25 for the economy seats. It was so nice sitting at the deck. However, the wind was so strong, it could easily blow anything you're holding into the sea. So here we are coming to have our documents stamped, then we proceed on to Zanzibar.